Alright boys and girls, today we are on a side quest. This isn't going to be like most of my videos where I'm like breaking down a painting or anything like that. Honestly, I just don't have the time to do that. But this is a birthday gift for a very special person. It is my favorite subscriber, Keely. I hope that you love this painting. Sorry I couldn't put more time into making more of a rounded out video, but you will be able to catch me out there for Artists in Wonderland. I won't be participating, but I will be there in the background helping out as much as I can. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure that this video came out on your very special day. Happy 11th birthday, and I hope that like it's the greatest day ever. So this video isn't for everybody. If you want to see one of my longer form videos or any of that stuff, go wait for the next one is gonna be, oh my god, the next video I got planned is gonna be crazy. But yeah, this isn't it. This video is for one person and one person only. Happy birthday, Keely. Hope you love this.
To all the doubters, to those who don't believe, this is the hour. You'll see that we'll make ladders out of obstacles and stepping stones from roadblocks. Leap over the lines to say we won't cross. We'll trick canyons like they're nothing. They won't see us coming. Scale all of the walls they built to hold us. We may be invisible, but we'll be unmistakable. We may be invisible. They may be blind to me, just wait and see. All the haters, those filled with jealousy, the naysayers, payers for defeat. But we'll make ladders out of obstacles and stepping stones from roadblocks. Leap over the lines to say we won't cross. We'll trick canyons like they're nothing. They won't see us coming. Scale all of the walls they built to hold us. We may be invisible, but we'll be unmistakable. We may be invisible. They may be blind to me, just wait and see.